The reason I'm a real foodie and my passion for all things cooking comes from my mum. This Mother's Day, I'm making a dish that is for you, inspired by you. I'm going to be creating a biryani. Biryanis remind me of Saturday curry nights around at the house, everyone coming together. For me, food is not always just about tasting incredible. It also has to offer a nutritious element. Especially as we approach Mother's Day, where in comparison, in Bangladesh, the diet of many new and expectant mothers really lacks essential nutrients. Every specially marked Tilda pure basmati rice pack sold will directly help the UN World Food Programme feed those mothers in need in Bangladesh with a nutrition boosting meal. So it is time to get cooking to make a difference. Into a medium-sized saucepan, add in the chopped onions and gently heat in the butter. Once melted, add in the cumin, continue to sizzle for 2 minutes. Add in the frozen mixed vegetable and allow to cook for 5 minutes, remembering to stir regularly.
Right, you want me to have a go while you...
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, I'll
Kicked off.
about half a teaspoon of salt.
I know, Mumsy. Add in the turmeric and garam masala, stir well and add in the water. I really don't think I'd be where I am now if I didn't spend a lot of my time growing up following you around the kitchen.
Every time I needed something, I would say, Rube, get me this, get me that.
So, time to go in with the Tilda pure basmati rice.
The rice is already being washed.
Keep the rice on the heat for approximately 15 minutes until the water's cooked out. Ready for the chicken?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Into a large saucepan, add in the diced onions and oil and cook. The onions should be golden brown and translucent before you add in the garlic. Add in the tinned tomatoes, followed by the green chilies. I'm going to go in...
Turmeric.
Looks like we're going in with turmeric.
Yeah.
Salt and garam masala. Stir well before adding in the freshly chopped coriander. The base needs to be reduced for approximately 5 minutes before we add in the chicken. Allow the chicken to cook thoroughly and any excess water has been cooked out. I think we should take a look and see how the chicken's doing. That looks pretty good to me, don't you think?
Lovely.
Looks really good. Rice is such an integral part of the dish, so we need to get this into this pan and then dish it up. So this is my big moment. Time for Mama B to try my Mama B Biryani. Should we tuck in?
Just delicious.
Better than yours?
I don't know.
Every specially marked Tilda pure basmati rice pack sold will directly help the UN World Food Programme feed those new and expectant mothers in need in Bangladesh.